Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to disable your online status in Viber application. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments after watching. And also, friends, put your likes under this video. So let's get to our topic, and I'm going to show you step by step. First of all, you will need to open the Viber app on your device. Then you will need to click on the menu on the bottom right. Then select Settings. Here in the settings, you will need to go to Privacy and then select the very first option, Online Status. This will take you to the online status in Viber. As you can see, you have it enabled by default. So now every Viber user will be able to see when you are online, whether you are online at the moment and so on. You will be able to do the same. But if you want more privacy so that other users of Viber app can't see when you are online, then you need to disable the status by clicking off. Like this. But keep in mind that just as others won't be able to see whether you are online in Viber, you won't be able to track it for other people either. So friends, you can easily disable online status in Viber app. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments. See you, friends.